What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys the basic concept of butterfly locks or distress locks. I've been seeing a lot of it going around, and I did practice how to do it. So I'm just going to show you guys real quickly how to do it. I'm using my mannequin head, and this is my mannequin that I had from cosmetology class. I did a cut on her hair. This was graded. I got an A. So I'm just going to be braiding her hair first, just to get a little length, because her hair is pretty short. So I'm just braiding her hair first, and then I'm going to be showing you guys what I do next. I am using the jumbo Jamaican bounce hair. It's recommended that you use the spring twist hair, but for video purposes, and I only had the Jamaican bounce hair, I'm just going to be using the Jamaican bounce hair to do it. So first, this is probably not the best place to do this recording. Please excuse my stuff in the background. I was taking a nap, so I just got up from taking a nap and I decided to do this video. So please don't mind none of those stuff in the back. So I crocheted the hair in, and as you can see, I'm using the longest piece to do the wrapping. So you just want to adjust it how long you want it, and I'm going to the right. So I'm wrapping to the right, and I would say probably after every third or fourth wrap, you could do the thumb method. And you don't have to have nails to do the thumb method, because I don't have nails. But if you have nails, it'll be a little easier. So as you can see, I left a little piece over my thumb, like so, right? I left a little piece over my thumb, and then I wrapped it around, and I came over, under my thumb, and then under, like I remove my thumb, and then I wrap underneath the little loop. So the goal is just to get like this really distressed loopy look, and it's like when all your hair is complete, y'all know how it looks. It looks bomb. Okay, so I'm just going to continue wrapping all the way down, and you pretty much get the idea of it. So that's pretty much the basic concept of the butterfly locks, the distress locks that has been trending. It's very easy. I thought it would have been somewhat harder, but it's actually really easy once you have the correct hair to use. That's it.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now when you're falling down.
Okay, so when you get to the end of the hair, sometimes you will have like a little piece of hair, and you could just pretty much wrap it around and it will stay in place. Given the texture of this type of hair, it's kind of like Marley hair, which is really super kinky hair. So it pretty much stays in place if you have like a little hair. Or another option you could do is just tie it, like take two little small strands and just tie it around in a circle and just cut off the excess. Or you could also use glue. So those are the three ways that you could secure the ends and ensure that it lasts a very long time. So I'm just going to do 2 more so that y'all could see. And I hope you get the basic concept of this and you get the basic understanding of it. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna do 2 more, so keep watching.
On your own. Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. On your own.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.